एवरीडे साइंस के सिलसिले में ये MCQs पार्ट नंबर 8 है। तो इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, बेसिक मेटल्स कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू गोल्ड बाय। इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, आर्टिफिशियल न्यूक्लियर रेडियो एक्टिविटी। ऑप्शन सी is correct. Next question. A light year is a unit of question mark. Its answer is option C, length. Option C is correct here. Next question. One of the main function of the earth ozone layer is to question mark. Its answer is option B, filter out ultraviolet rays. B is correct here. Next question. Person with following blood groups are considered to be the universal receptionist. Its answer is option C, AB positive. Option C is correct here. Next question is, study of life in outer space is known as. Study of life in outer space is known as. Its answer is option B, X biology. Option B is correct. Next question. The name of the common mineral salt present in sweet is question mark. Its answer is option C, sodium chloride. C is correct here. Next question. Sensitive layer of the eye is. Its answer is option C, retina. Next question is, laughing gas has a chemical composition of following two elements. Its answer is option C, nitrogen plus oxygen. C is correct here. Next question. Dr. Abdul Salam of Pakistan was one of the contributors of unification of dash question mark. Its answer is option B, electromagnetic force and weak nuclear force. Option B is correct here. And the last question of this video is, which triplet is DNA codes for valine question mark. Its answer is option E, none of these. E is correct here. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।